DairyGrip cutting to width. With the DairyGrip roll in place, add a timber board below to elevate the mat for easy cutting. Measure and mark the desired size using chalk. Ensure to mark between the steel cables. Next, start cutting the belt with a sharp knife in preparation for the belt slitter. Then remove the timber board once done. Position the belt slitter into the hand-cut section. Use another vehicle parked at the end of the belt to provide weight. Then use the tractor to pull the belt slitter through the DairyGrip mat. The belt slitter cuts through the DairyGrip mat to achieve the desired length fit. DairyGrip durable rubber flooring. Versatile, low cost and long lasting. Visit rubbergem.com to learn more.